To get a new health savings account card, you will need to follow a series of steps. First, determine if you need a replacement card or an additional card for a dependent. If your card is lost, stolen, or damaged, you will need to request a replacement card. Next, contact your HSA provider to initiate the process. You can usually find the contact information on the back of your current card, on your provider's website, or on your account statements. You can call, email, or log into your online account to request a new card. When you contact your provider, be prepared to verify your identity and provide your account information. You may be asked to provide your name, date of birth, and social security number to confirm your identity. Once you have verified your identity, your provider will guide you through the process of requesting a new card. You may be able to request a new card online, or you may need to fill out a form and return it to your provider. After you have requested a new card, it will typically take 7 to 10 business days to arrive. You can usually track the status of your new card by logging into your online account or by contacting your provider. When you receive your new card, be sure to review it for accuracy and sign the back of the card. You should also update any automatic payments or billers with your new card information. It is also a good idea to make a copy of your new card and keep it in a safe place, in case your card is lost or stolen in the future. By following these steps, you can easily get a new HSA card and continue to use your account without interruption. It is also important to note that some providers may charge a fee for replacement cards, so be sure to ask about any fees when you request a new card. Additionally, if you have a dependent who is eligible for an HSA card, you can usually request an additional card for them by following the same process.